Hi. Today we will talk about Azure Ultra Disk Storage that provides massive throughput with sub-millisecond latency for your most I/O demanding workloads. With the introduction of Ultra Disk Storage, Azure includes four types of persistent disks. This portfolio gives you price and performance options tailored to meet the requirements of every workload. Ultra Disk Storage delivers consistent performance and low latency for I/O-intensive workloads like SAP HANA, OLTP databases, NoSQL, and other transaction-heavy workloads. Further, you can reach maximum virtual machine I/O limits with a single Ultra disk, without having to stripe multiple disks. Durability of data is essential to business-critical enterprise workloads, so Microsoft built Ultra Disk Storage on existing locally redundant storage technology, which stores 3 copies of data within the same availability zone. Any application that writes to storage will receive an acknowledgement only after it has been durably replicated to the LRS system. Microsoft also introduced the Virtual Disk Client with full knowledge of virtual disk metadata mappings to disks in the Ultra Disk Storage cluster backing them. This simplified approach minimizes the layers that a read or write operation traverses, reducing latency and delivering performance comparable to enterprise flash disk arrays. One key benefit of Ultra Disk Storage is that you can dynamically tune disk performance without detaching your disk or restarting your virtual machines. Thus, you can scale performance along with your workload. When you adjust either IOPS or throughput, the new performance settings take effect in less than an hour. Ultra Disk implements also new time-based disk level throttle that is applied at the disk level. This new throttle system provides more realistic behavior of a disk for a given IOPS and throughput. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed this Microsoft Azure component.